drop in, switch around and do that. Get over! Yes, buddy. Redo.
Okay.
Hey, first of all, fuck yay!
I'm not mad, okay?
First of all, you want to know how to hard flip. I can't do it because Matt can do it better than I can. First, and then second of all, you want to do when you land a hard flip, make sure you land it on the nose. So when you hard flip, land on your nose, and then just turn your body back 180. Reverse.
How can I do it? I do that.
What?
I try to do that, it doesn't work.
Well, it kind of works. Because when you do it hard flip, and basically my ghetto bird will look like this.
Are you lying to me?
No, it's some kid, Dylan's friend he always hang out with.
Wait, his dad does crack?
No, that's gay. Like,
oh,
he gives it up the butt, doesn't take it in the butt. But you know,
yeah,
his friend. If you didn't know, his dad is gay. He was gay when he was 7 years old. Are you filming, dude? Bullshit.
bitch, get off my nuts.
Felt like a scorpion stung me.
You want to call 911?
Nope. If so, they're a police station. We can just yell help.
Police don't do shit though.
Don't record. That was so gay. That was so gay.
Let me see it. Right here.
I like this, see this.
It's Jersey Turnpike. Hi, I'm a your ghetto bird.
Yeah, I think we're done.
Okay. Well, see you next time. Woo!